Easily remove fingerprints and bacteria from your tablet, iPad, or e-reader with ScreenKlean by CarbonClean. Fingerprints, oils, and smudges can build up fast. Effectively clean your tablet with ScreenKlean's all-natural, invisible carbon formula. Simply remove the cap to reveal ScreenKlean's soft microfiber pad embedded with our patented molecular formula, and gently clean your tablet screen. The carbon cleaning compound actually removes oil, smudges, and bacteria from your tablet instead of just smearing them around like cloths and sprays. Reuse your ScreenKlean pad up to 150 times by simply sliding it back into the cap, allowing the cleaning pad to recharge. ScreenKlean is the most convenient way to clean your tablet and other large-screen devices, leaving them spotless and bacteria-free. Keep it clean with CarbonClean.
Move on.
Dude, really?
Cool car. Stylish and loaded with tech.
Wait, what are you doing here?
Well, you've got this totally cool investment here, and Fingers here goes and messes it all up.
Sorry.
This is new Touch Clean. It brings carbon cleaning technology to your car.
It looks great.
We'll keep it. And you know, everything they make is 100% post-consumer plastic and recyclable. Carbon Clean makes products that make sense. That looks really good. I'll get my own. Oh, and maybe you should go to carbonclean.com to stock up. I think you're gonna need it.
Hey,